So I've already shared a couple of projects I've made using the Bitty Penny page turner collection. One of them was this, like a book journal, and there's a video on that, so if you want to check it out. But I made a couple of other things. I made two sets of note cards. The the page turner, obviously, is sort of a library book theme collection. There are just some gorgeous pictures in here, and I just wanted to utilize them. I made this set of note cards with, again, a library theme style. So here's one with a boy sitting there reading a book, a great background there, and he's on some orange paper. I put some orange paper below that, and then put a sentiment that I just typed out on my computer and printed out on some dark yellow or light orange paper. And so there's that. This one, so she is popped up, and isn't that a gorgeous picture? So I love the background. It was great to layer. I added some copper foiling. I just went through my stash of scraps, and that was in there. It was the right size. It says, "I love you more than books." This one, a girl reading with her dog in a library, says, "You are a classic." And I'll show you in a little bit what this is hiding. And this, I was playing with some alcohol inks and decided to make some background paper. I wasn't nuts about it, but I put it on there, added some more of this paper. I inked up a bit, and then put this boy. And then for the sentiment, I printed that out. It says, "Thank you for being an important character in my story." So there are those four, let's put them here, note cards that I thought would be a great set of cards to give to somebody, a teacher or a librarian or somebody like that. So there's that. And then see this one. So this one is the same as this, but I had the feet hanging down from here. So that's why I put the sentiment down there. It hid the boots of the gal there. On these, I just cut the paper and put them on note cards. The images were just gorgeous, and I was okay with just using the images as a note card. And again, it would be a great gift for someone. Actually, our local library is opening up now. It's March. It's been closed since hurricanes in October. So maybe they want to do some welcome back gifts or something like that, and I can donate it to the library. This one, I love the image, and I actually made a dimensional card for my daughter out of it, just cutting and layering. With Bitty Penny's paper collections, you get 4 of each, and so there's a lot. And then the papers are 6 by 8, so you would get 4 of these and 4 of something on the other side. So you get a lot of bang for your buck with these paper pads, and they're made with a good quality cardstock. So there is that, just a fun set of cards to give away, as well as these. So I just wanted to show you, if you get the right paper, you can make some beautiful cards that you'd be proud of giving. That is what I have for you today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a fabulous day.